What if I told you that the choices you make today can decide the future of our planet? A very warm greetings to everyone present here. It's me Samriddhi Rai from grade 7A1 and I stand before you all to give a short speech on the topic climate change. Climate change is one of the biggest difficulties that we are facing nowadays. It refers to the long term of change in Earth's temperature and weather patterns. Human activities such as burning fossil fuels, cutting down forests and pollution are such reasons behind climate change. The effects of climate change can already be seen around us. Temperatures are rising, glaciers are melting, sea levels are increasing, and extreme weather events like floods and storms are common these days. However, we can all reduce climate change by saving electricity, reducing waste, and using resources wisely. Even small actions can make a huge impact if millions of people work together. In conclusion, let us all take responsibility of our planet and make a better version of it for the upcoming future. Thank you.